Got a car you just don't want anymore? Stop paying for something you're not using. Sell it for cash today. We buy unwanted cars for all kinds of reasons. Upgraded to a new vehicle? We'll take the old one. Inherited a car you don't need? We'll buy it. Extra car just sitting around? Turn it into money. Tired of maintenance costs on a car you barely drive? We're your solution. Here's the beautiful part. We don't care why you don't want it. Maybe it runs perfectly, but you just don't need it. Maybe it's giving you problems. Maybe you're moving and can't take it with you. Your reasons are your business. Our business is giving you cash for it. The process is incredibly straightforward. Give us the details about your unwanted car. We provide a fair cash offer within minutes. Accept it, and we schedule free pickup at your convenience. We come to you, pick up the car, handle all the paperwork, and pay you on the spot. Think about what you're spending on that unwanted car right now. Insurance premiums, registration fees, parking space, maybe repairs you keep putting off. That's money disappearing every month for something you don't even want. Stop throwing money away. Start making money instead. One phone call or one website visit. That's all it takes. Get your free quote right now and turn that unwanted car into instant cash. Easy money for unwanted cars today.